Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back where we spotlight the most exciting innovation in blockchain and Web3. So dear viewers, today I am excited to introduce you Array Network, a fast, secure and scalable layer 1 blockchain that's making serious wave in the crypto space. Array Network. So dear viewers, Array Network is an advanced EVM compatible layer 1 blockchain designed for speed, scalability and top tier security. Built from the ground up, it provides a robust foundation for developers, enterprises, and Web3 enthusiasts to build the future of the decentralized applications. With its next generation architecture, Array is tackling the usual blockchain bottlenecks, slow transaction speeds, high gas fees, and security threats by offering an ecosystem that's fast, developer friendly, and built for growth. So, dear viewers, here you can check Array Network, the new standard in blockchain excellence, the definitive enterprise blockchain platform, setting the gold standard for institutional performance. And here you can check its transaction per speed, 250,000 per second, industry leading throughput. So here you can check the next one is 0.1 second block finality, the fastest in class. And here you can check 99.9% network uptime, the reliability standard. So here you can explore the tokenomics, and here you can check the details of the Fortune 500 standards, 2.5 billion plus trust benchmark, and 47 countries leading. So you can check the enterprise grade infrastructure built for mission critical application, and here you can check the features of the Array Network. So its main features are high performance, enterprise security, EVM compatibility, layer 2 solutions, and the next one is smart optimization, cross chain infrastructure, regulatory compliance, developer tools. So these are the amazing features of the Array Network, and here you can see that these features will bring amazing opportunities for you. So next amazing feature is for the developers. Array provides everything a Web3 builder needs: full developer documentation, API integration tools, custom testnet access, and a growing network of ecosystem partners. Whether you are launching your first decentralized application or migrating from another chain, Array makes it easy, secure, and efficiency. And here the next one is the ecosystem: helpers, validators, users, and partner protocols from DeFi and NFT to enterprise solutions. Array Network is designed to scale with demand, foster innovation, and drive adoption across industries. So now we will explain how you can join the Array Network. The process is very simple. So dear viewers, here you can see that you can join Array Network. First of all, you will have to enter your first name, and then you will have to enter your last name. Then you will have to enter your email, and you will create a password that must be strong password. And after putting these information, you can make a successful registration. So first of all, you will have to visit the official website of Array Network, and then you will have to connect your wallet like MetaMask or any other EVM compatible wallet, and then you will have to access the network details and add Array to your chain list. And the last phase will be the start exploring the platform, developers, docs, and API tools. So this is the process by which you can join Array Network. It's very simple and easy. So dear viewers, I would like to suggest all my viewers to join the Telegram community of the Array Network to get real-time support, project updates, community discussions, and exclusive announcements. And the next one is the official Twitter page of the Array Network, and I would like to suggest all my viewers to follow the Twitter page of Array Network to stay informed on partnerships, events, and development milestones. And the next one is the YouTube channel of Array Network, and I would like to suggest all my viewers to subscribe this YouTube channel and must watch the podcast of the Array Network to get detailed information. And you can also subscribe official channel for tutorials, AMA sessions, and educational content. So must subscribe this channel and join the social media community of the Array Network. So dear viewers, here you can check that the Array Networks, whether you are a developer looking to build with freedom and performance, a user seeking faster and cheaper blockchain transaction, or an enthusiast exploring promising layer 1 ecosystem, Array Network has something powerful to offer you. And here you can check that everything enterprise need to succeed. Here you can check the developer platform, enterprise solutions, governance framework, and here you can check security infrastructure, scaling solutions, cross-chain networks, and other details have been provided. So if you are ready to transform your enterprise, you can start building solutions. Join the world's leading institutions, leverage Array Network for mission critical blockchain applications, experience unparalleled performance and enterprise support. So join the projects, join the platform, and grab the amazing opportunities. So all the links have been given in the description of the video. So dear viewers, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your community. Don't forget to subscribe to Jerry Promo for more deep dives into innovative crypto projects. Take care everyone. I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye for now.